Hey there and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a super handy tutorial that's going to save you time and hassle. We'll show you how to convert an image to a PDF right on your iPhone. Whether it's a receipt, a document, or a memorable photo, turning it into a PDF is a piece of cake. Let's dive right in. First, open the image you want to convert to a PDF. You can do this through the Photos app or any image viewer you prefer. Now, tap on the image to reveal the menu options. See that little share icon in the bottom left? Tap on it. A list of options will appear. Scroll down and look for Print. It may sound counterintuitive, but trust me, this is the magic button. Next, pinch outwards with your fingers on the image. This will open a full screen preview. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a share icon again. Tap it. You're almost there. A new set of options will pop up. Scroll down to find Save to Files. Tap it. Now, select where you want to save your PDF, give it a name, and tap Save. Your image is now a PDF, ready to be shared, stored, or sent. Converting images to PDFs on your iPhone is quick and easy. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this tutorial with your friends. You'll be their hero when you show them this trick. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.